So hi guys, I hope you are eagerly waiting for कि आज के पेपर में क्या आया होगा. So this was the first slot and the first paper of CUET that some of us gave. So first we are going to talk about कि कौन कौन से पेपर की आज हम बात करेंगे. That is history, pol science, English, business studies, economics and accountancy. And then we are going to quickly talk about कि आज के पेपर में क्या क्या आया था. Now first thing first, let's talk about English. जो सबके दिमाग में चल रहा होगा मैम क्या आया था. So English में it was only 2 comprehensions that was asked. Reading comprehension सिर्फ 2 आए थे, which was based on Sambalpur weaving handloom or 85-year-old brother and a narrator. Then there were a lot of antonyms and synonyms that were asked like lofty, magnificent, grand. Now बात करें ग्रामर की. So some of the students are saying कि ग्रामर पार्ट बहुत ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट था, जिसमें क्या क्या था 3 to 4 questions of literacy devices generally match the column. Then you had vocabularies, then you have no foreign words, parajumbles, synonyms were asked and the example that some of us has given that was brittle. फिर उसके बाद prepositions था, direct indirect speech थी, passive active voice थे और phrasal verbs थे. And then idioms were asked like to be in a hot water, to put your foot down, etc. तो ये था आज का English का analysis, जिसमें reading comprehension 2 थे, जिसमें question 40 to 50 थे. That means question 41 to 45 was one single passage and question 46 to 50 was another passage, and then their vocabulary was a little bit difficult. Then we are going to talk about कि accountancy में क्या था. We already know कि accountancy में 45 questions तो होंगे compulsory, होते partnership और company accounts. 5 questions में choice थी computerized accounting और financial statement में. Partnership में कौन कौन से questions थे? Admission, retirement, dissolution, goodwill, share of calculation, partnership deed silent. Then there were 2 questions asked from super profit, capital adjustment, match the columns, sequential and lot of journal entries were there. अब बात करते हैं company accounts की, जिसमें थे 15 questions. 4 feature and capital reserve से आए थे 3 question. Share premium, loss on debenture of redemption, case study थी बहुत ही generic, and then more numericals this time rather than the previous year. अब बात करें financial statement, cash flow from operating activity calculation आई थी और 2 question आए थे ratio analysis, and there was a choice between the financial statement and computerized accounting. The next one we are going to talk about is business studies. मैंने बोला था कि processes को ध्यान से पढ़ लेना, वही हुआ. प्रोसेसेस के क्वेश्चंस आए प्लानिंग और ऑर्गेनाइजिंग से. 2 केस स्टडी आई थी, क्वेश्चन नंबर 41 to 45 एंड 46 to 50. 41 to 45 थी डायरेक्टिंग, जिसमें मिक्स ऑफ बिजनेस एनवायरनमेंट वाज देयर, एंड द नेक्स्ट केस स्टडी दैट वाज देयर वाज मार्केटिंग मिक्स, जिसमें थे टाइप्स ऑफ गुड्स, मार्केटिंग मिक्स आइडेंटिफिकेशन, ऑब्जेक्शंस टू एडवर्टाइजिंग. फिर थे फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट में, जिसमें आए थे अ लॉट ऑफ फॉर्मूलाज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ मैच द कॉलम लाइक एबिट. देन देयर वर डेफिनेशंस, मैंने बोला था इंपॉर्टेंट है, लाइक डिफरेंट ऑथर्स डिफरेंट डेफिनेशंस वर देयर. मैच द कॉलम, concept of decentralization and delegation and identification of consumer protection rights were asked, along with BSc and NSc. मैंने बोला था कि इसकी dates are very very important. So BSc NSc आया था, along with that what is going to be the methods of flotation in the financial markets. Next we are going to talk about economics. इकोनॉमिक्स का पेपर था मॉडरेट टू डिफिकल्ट, जिसमें माइक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स के थे 6 to 10 क्वेश्चंस, मैक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स वाज 20 to 22 क्वेश्चंस एंड आईडी वाज 20 to 22 क्वेश्चंस अगेन. अब माइक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स में क्या था? प्रॉफिट मैक्सिमाइजेशन, देयर वाज अ न्यूमेरिकल. Then there was a question on cost production, budget line and perfect competition. Then we talk about the macroeconomics. There was a case study based on national income. As the students have already told me कि 5 questions थे और 5 के 5 was based on the numericals, like you are supposed to find the GDP, NNPFC and all that. Then you had autonomous consumption, investment multiplier, RBI setup, government budget and objectives, and numerical on current account and FER. This time a lot of numericals came. Then if we talk about IED, इसमें से भी 20 to 22 questions थे. 1 case study था, that was passage based. Then NABARD, labor force, workforce, learning facts, NCERT. The boxes that is given in your NCERT, a lot of questions were asked from there. And then you have this date sequential questions that was there. Now let's skip to the humanities part. इसमें हम बात करेंगे पॉलिटिकल साइंस की. अगेन इजी टू मॉडरेट पेपर था, जिसमें देयर वर 3 to 4 क्वेश्चंस बेस्ड ऑन द क्रोनोलॉजिकल, दैट इज सोवियत यूनियंस, कोल्ड वॉर इवेंट्स, European Union and international treaties. Then there was statement and MCQ pattern, that is correct statements, assertion style questions, leader code identification, and which leaders said this. This was quoted and you were supposed to identify the leader for the same. Then there were certain topics covered on shock therapy, UN General Secretary, then you have collision politics post, human security, and then next one that we're going to talk about is history. Isme bhi author and text questions were there, like who wrote what, an author of Mohenjo-daro, historian and archaeological identification, and there were certain source reference questions that were there. Then if we are going to talk about the colonial administration, there were questions from reforms of 1990. Then there was a subsidiary alliance imposed on Awadh, and British administrative policies were also asked. Then we talk about the exploration and personalities, which is Captain Cook, that is second passive voice. Then you have personality, chronology of events and archaeological information. तो ये थे आज के आपके डोमेन प्लस इंग्लिश कि किस किस सब्जेक्ट में क्या क्या पूछा. सो इफ आई हैव टू कंक्लूड आई विल से एनसीईआरटी लाइन बाय लाइन पढ़ लो, कोई भी क्वेश्चन आ जाएगा. देन क्रोनोलॉजी एंड इवेंट सिक्वेंशियल प्रैक्टिस वाज देयर, स्टेटमेंट बेस्ड वाज देयर, बट असर्शन रीजन ना अकाउंट्स में आएगा, ना इकोनॉमिक्स में, ना बिजनेस स्टडीज में. Then there is a certain of quotes and side content, that is NCERT के जो boxes हैं उसको ignore मत करना, PYQs कर लो और factual clarity on names, authors and dates. So this was all that we are supposed to cover today for the first paper of CUET, that is slot 1. We are going to record all the slots, so stay tuned for the same.